The timekeeping section is part of the all-in-one experience Clarra offers, linked with accounting features and payment integrations to promote efficiency and transparency in your workflow. Timekeeping can be customized to better fit your company's terminology and billing protocols. With time tracking enabled, you can rename the timekeeping section, choose whether or not to allow zero-duration time slips, and customize billing increments. You can also rename and edit available options for activity codes and task codes to organize your time slips and group billing records. You can also disable the time tracking feature to transform timekeeping to serve a different purpose, such as recording notes or an activity log. This is particularly useful for companies that have their own time management system or operate on retainers or flat fees. See our video about disabling timekeeping for more information. Today, we'll focus on configuring timekeeping with time tracking enabled, so still making use of time slips and their duration-related features. To customize timekeeping, click on your profile icon and select Properties. From there, click the Global tab and scroll to the bottom to find Timekeeping. Press the three dots to the right and Configure. Timekeeping is a global property, meaning that changes made on this page will affect how timekeeping appears throughout Clarra. To rename timekeeping, all we have to do is type in the Change To box. Say we'd rather call it Time Logs. The relevant terminology will update accordingly. We'll keep time tracking enabled. We can also choose whether or not to allow zero-duration time slips. Choosing to not allow them can function as a failsafe if a user accidentally submits a timeslip without any logged time. Allowing after user confirmation will prompt the user to confirm they want to submit a timeslip with no logged time. We can also adjust the billing increment to your organization's preference. The default value is 6 minutes. Changing the billing increment affects how log time is rounded up when using the timer feature. If your company bills for every 30 minutes, simply type 30 in the Minutes section. Press Save to confirm your changes to timekeeping. To edit activity and task codes, click on the Timekeeping tab back in Properties, now called Time Logs. Click the three dots to the right of Activity Code and press Edit. In Change To, you can rename activity code. Say we want to call it Purpose. Down in Options, we can add options to the list and edit existing options. To edit existing options, click on and type the new name. You can toggle options as active or inactive. To include a new option, click Add Option and enter the new value. You can also choose to mark this field as personally identifiable information to hide it if necessary. Press Save at the bottom when you're done. Editing task codes is essentially the same process as activity codes. Let's say we'd rather call them assignments. And that we want to add an option for filing. Make the changes, and press Save. If we head back to timekeeping, we'll see how our changes impact the section. Now called Time Logs, we can create a new time log and see the new terminology where activity code and task code used to be. As with most features on Clarra, timekeeping can be adapted to seamlessly fit your terminology and workflow. Once again, you can refer to our video about disabling timekeeping to completely transform the timekeeping section to fit another purpose, and our support site for more information.